Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing network that can pay you up to 160 USD per sale. So if you know that you can be able to make a different amount of money as part of commission affiliate marketing, it is always necessary to check for how much money you can be able to earn. With this affiliate marketing platform, you can be able to make 160 USD per sale you made in affiliate marketing. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have opened my computer, so we have to either use our phone. We can be able to use our tablets, our computer, depends on which tool you are using, which can browse over the internet. And also what I have to do, I have to search for visitors coverage. If you type visitors coverage in your computer, you're gonna see this one. You can see this is a visitors coverage affiliate. So it's a visitors coverage travel affiliate program, and if you want to be searching more information about it, first of all you can be typing for this one. You can see it's an insurance company in Santa Clara, California, and also you can be able to come and read more about this one. So if I click on visitors coverage, this is gonna be directing me to the link, and I have to get more information about it. You can see this insurance for you the way you travel, so it's also insurance about those visitors to the California. Here is what they can be offering to you. So now let's try to explore more about it. Pick the right insurance for you. This international travel medical insurance, US visitors insurance, ELOP scheme, visa insurance, trip insurance, cancel for any reason insurance, pre-existing condition medical insurance. You can see first time buyer traveling is your family or bringing your parents to the US for a visit. We got you covered. You can see also they help the visitors in the United States to get the insurance. However, we are much focused on knowing how much money we can be earning with affiliate marketing, because it's our only part of affiliate marketing we are visiting here, and we want to explore more about affiliate marketing. You can see this has 98% satisfaction rating, and they have served over 176 countries, and also they have 19 years of experience. So now if we come here to the affiliate, here you see they say that partner with visitors coverage. What you need to do, you need to come into your browser and search for visitors coverage affiliate. You can see visitors coverage affiliate, and once you click there, you can see these are the link which shows affiliate program. You have to click on it, this one, and also after clicking on it, you want to be opening to the platform itself. So what you see, this the same page as the one I was visiting, and also it's gonna be giving you these details. For instance, partner with visitors coverage, join our insurance affiliate program and earn top commissions by referring travel insurance customers. So now you want to know how much you can be able to join. If you need the support, here they have 24/7 support, and also they are explaining more about this service which they provide here. And also it's up to you now to be able to come and read and we get more details about it. You can see level up your earnings with referral income. So if you are now having a niche audience, you can be able to do this with these details. And also why our partners love working with you. You can see becoming a travel insurance affiliate is profitable. Now you can sign up here. So now there are different questions they're asking here. If you need to get more details, you can be able to read here and also be able to understand how this affiliate program is going to be working. So you can see the plans they're having now. If you need to browse all the products, you can see maybe for For instance, let's scroll down and see here is the plan, USC visitors plan, and see how much money they will be paying. And also after paying this amount of money, here is where you will be able to understand how much money you can be able to earn from them. This is the best seller package, and also you can see what they are describing in this service, this package. Out of network, 80% of first 5,000 USD. Thereafter, you can see show prices. You're gonna be adding your destination, United States, and also now if you go to different, you can see continue customization. Here you'll be getting now to know. Let's say 25. Now you're gonna be getting this one. Let's say this type, do this. And also get code. So you see they are gonna be finding the basic plan for you, insurance for the way you travel, and they will send you the quotation. So for us, we mostly needed to know how much money we can be able to earn. You can see this is the amount of money they are gonna be charging here. You can see the selectable, deductible, can be able to lead all of this. And also here, let's see how much money you can be able to earn. What you need to do, you need to click on sign up, and also once you click on sign up, you want to be directed to this page. And also here is how much money you're gonna be making. You can see the minimum amount of money you can be able to make on this platform is 1 USD per order. If you are gonna be referring a person who is gonna purchase or gonna be paying 10 USD to 49.499 USD. And also if you're gonna be referring someone who's gonna be paying 50 to 199 USD, you're gonna be earning 5. So if you are gonna be also referring someone who is gonna be paying 200 US to 599, you're gonna be earning this. And as you can see, the final amount you can be able to earn per order here is if you refer someone who is gonna be paying 2000 USD, you can see you're gonna be earning 160 USD per sale. This is also very great, as you can be able to make such amount of money per sale. And also I can say that these are among the high paying affiliate programs. However, you need to check, and so you can consider that even though you're gonna be earning much money, you see the package are different. The much money they pay when they are buying this package, also the higher amount of money you're gonna be earning, or the high commission you're gonna be earning doing affiliate marketing. Also, this is the same in all affiliate marketing. And also they have referral windows of which is from clicks within 30 days. And also credit policy is last click. You can see the general terms and conditions. You have to read all and also understand which ones you're gonna be also confused with, or also if you have some confusions, you can be reaching out for the support before you signing up. Also, once you are done, you can see after clicking there on sign up, I have been direct to the impact.com, which is one all-in-one affiliate marketing programs. So you need to come here and accept these terms and conditions. Once you accept the terms and the conditions, of course, you're going to be direct to the page where you have to sign up with email, or where you have to log in with the existing impact.com account. And also once you're done, you're going to be waiting for the application procedures. Then also you can be able to start making money with these visitors coverage within only 3 days. You're gonna be having received your response, and also start promoting your affiliate links, then start making money or making a passive income. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it to your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember also to turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.